There's ducks.
And now we see the mallard.
The mallards. The eastern tips, the green head,
The green head is
the forest wings.
Yes, yes. We look deep into the bush. Follow me into the bush.
There we go.
Come with me.
We're in the greenwood. I don't know if you know.
They're deep in here,
Green.
in the foliage.
Go.
Within the shrubs.
The herbaceous.
Oh my!
Oh, Christmas.
My God.
Dear Lord, there's another one somewhere. The female. They made a nest in there. They can't be doing this.
Just going in.
What's your observation of this?
Going in.
All right.
It probably is, because that's why the girl one's still here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get attacked.
Yeah, let's not do this.
You just want a video.
Oh, the dad's right here.
Oh, flew over here.
Yeah.
There was more than just one. No, see, I hear it. You hear that? It's over here.
We're not gonna do anything, man. We're not doing anything. Just chill. Oh shoot. The escape. The great escape.
Yeah. There you go. Look at that one. Ah, she's got purple tips on her wings.
Papa tips.
It's just a purple tip.
Oh shoot. Oh my gosh, they're humping.
Yes.
Do that. Oh my gosh.
You're such a...
Oh my. Get that, son. He just got pussy. He just got that.
Good work, Mallard.
We want our privacy.
That's what they were doing, I knew it.
What are they doing here? That guy, they must have been fighting for that girl. The other one just
Yeah,
lost.
I know. That's what I was saying. That's why I was like, where did they go? A nature video.